got a radio in this bag. And I believe this radio is what controls the truck. Yep, it's a radio. Let's charge it up and go in the backyard and give it a rip. I'll see you outside, guys. Hello, guys. Steve here, NRC. And look what I got in today. It's a Redcat MT18 little monster truck. Beauty. Check it out. I'm going to unbox it really quick. I'm going to charge it. And this is the perfect size to go in the backyard. I think we got a little snow, so we'll give it a whirl around in the backyard. Let's open this bad boy up. See what it looks like. Check that out. Oh. How the hell is it coming out? Guess not like that. Maybe like this. Man, she's stuck. Oh. We got a whole bunch of stuff in this thing. All in one box. I guess we have to unzip it here. There she is. Quality pass. The Edelbrock one. That's the one I liked. There's the diffs. Feels good. This reminds me of, let me move this, we'll look in this later. This reminds me of the Muri Big Bear, just the stance of it and the way the tires are real wide, almost like squares, like the Big Bear used to have. If you guys remember the Muri Big Bear from back in the day. It looks cool. How does the body come off? Looks like a little tab there. And then it flips up. Nice. Oh yeah. I'll have to check if it's waterproof because I want to run it in the snow. But it has all the sponsors, the exhaust here. Here's the lipo in there. Let's see what we got really quick. If I could get it out, that is. There it is. I could leave it in. We got a 750 milliamp 2S. I'm just going to leave that beauty in. I'm going to charge it up later. But that's the truck. It's got suspension and everything. Let's see what's in this box here. Charge this bad boy up and get it out for a run. Hurry up with this unboxing here, Steve. Alright, we got a package. And it's got instructions and a USB charger. And it looks like some body posts and stuff in here. And extra little parts. Millions of people showing it, so I'm not going to buy it. And we got a radio in this bag. And I believe this radio is what controls the truck. Yep, it's a radio. Let's charge it up and go in the backyard and give it a rip. I'll see you outside, guys. Alright, guys. There she is. The snow in the yard is all melted, but on here. So, I'm going to give it a go. It's slushy snow. There goes nothing. Oh, it's getting nice and ready. It's like a big stomper. Oh, look at that snow. definitely the slushy stuff. Oh, it's just throwing it all over. These tires on this little trucker. Awesome. I don't know if you'll see it, but it's throwing this up really good. Let's take it somewhere else. Some off-road here. Oh yeah. These tires do kick up a lot of stuff. Oh my God. The tires are getting a snowball, ice slush ball on it. See if we can go off road here. Oh, that's crazy. Holy crow, I gotta check the lens. Whew. This is like, it's like 40 degrees out now. Look, it's just, I can make it turn into snow ice tires. Let's see if we can blast that off. Oh, we got a big snowball on the front, right? Oh. Oh my God. The snow is incredible, like packing. It's like literally melting. But this thing's taking it good. Fun little guy. Oh! Oh, we're getting a snowball effect. Yep, as soon as you're rolling it, you gotta have wheel speed. Or you get snowballs. Oh, I think I'm getting an ice ball on the front one. Right there. Yeah, this ain't the weather for this thing. Oh! Hit that a little hard. Nope, can't get up that. There's a net on there. Instant snowballs. Looks really good. Reminds me of the Big Bear with these tires so wide and square shaped. Oh, we got a snowball. Ice ball on the passenger side. See if I can get it off. Yep. Oh yeah, that's just chugging away the snow. Oh, slush! Slush balls! Redcat! Chilling away the snow with his mammoth tires. Go in reverse. Oh, slop! That's the heel you guys can't hear. It's slushing around like plop, 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 plop. It's that bad. Oh! Holy crow! This thing's a blast, this little guy. Not the fastest, but it's cool. See from the top. Oh, I got a baseball forming on the tire. Alright guys, just wanted to show you that beauty. Look at that. She's all covered now. It's fun. Let's see what she looks like. Oh man, I'm gonna have to let this spoil out in the house. Not the snow you want to ride in. But anyhow, cool looking little rig here. Lots of fun. If you think about trying these small trucks out, go for it. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go in the house. My fingers are kind of cold from touching the snow. I had a blast with it. I hope you did too. Thanks for watching. ShinRC. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like, hit the bell. Give me all the good stuff, guys. Later.
Slush monster.
Oh. Tried to do a trick, but I couldn't hit reverse fast enough. Whoa, look at that trick, guys.